Namaste, Pyari Parivar. In this video, we will try to decode why your manifestations are not working, and specifically, we'll boil down to two reasons why they're not working. Namaste, welcome to Pyari Baate with Pyari. Do share this video with your friends and help me on my mission to influence, inspire, and transform the lives of 1 billion people on this planet. Okay, getting to the point. Okay, number one reason why manifestations do not work is because you are being very, very, very dishonest to your own self. You kind of showcase in front of everyone that, oh my god, my energy is very high, I'm very positive, I'm amazing, मैं सबको ज्ञान दे रही हूँ, I'm the like most ideal person on this planet, I'm doing everything right. But still things are not happening for you because maybe you're doing everything. Okay, you are doing the affirmations, the auto suggestion, you're doing the vision board, the water bottle technique, everything you're doing. But what you're not adding is the secret ingredient, which is everything. Okay, which means you are not positive internally. Under say you have so many doubts, if so many negative thoughts, you're so stressed, you're doubtful if you're even worthy of it, you're doubtful if it will even happen, you're doubtful when it will happen. And when you see things happening with others, you're more stressed, you're more sad, you're in some other zone then, that is it ever going to happen with me, kabhi hoga bhi kya mere sath bhi. And because of these things, because you're doing your manifestations with so much negativity, कैसे होगा manifestation, how will it even happen? The number one goal to have anything in your life is to be happy. For that, I have written this book called Divine Joy, which helps you experience ultimate bliss in any situation of your life, which you must read. Get it from Amazon, Flipkart, or Notion Press. This is a must read, guys, if you want to maintain your frequency, because if you are not happy, I'm sorry to say, the game is over. Nothing will happen. All right. Coming to the second one, which is extremely deep, I realized that after I felt that I was doing everything right, I was trying to be positive, optimistic, thankful, grateful, high energy, everything. Okay. Most ideal condition, being happy for others, everything that I could possibly do in my human limitations. But still, I was not getting where I wanted to. I was not getting what I wanted. Like हो रहा था, and end moment में it would, something negative would happen. And for the longest time I felt blocked from getting my manifestation into 3D reality. So I stopped believing in it. And I did stop believing in it, and then I was introduced to this other way, this mystic way of spirituality and life, which is called prarabdh. So your prarabdhs are karmas which you have to encounter in this life. Whatever we have done in our past lives, okay, we have to balance it out in this life. So a lot of times when you are blocked from achieving what you want to, it is also because of the prarabdh. So in that situation, when something like this happens, you don't have to feel negative about it, that my kismat is kharab, mere sath hi bura hota hai, mera hi sab kharab ho raha hai. You have to understand that this is happening for a reason, and you should be thankful कि आपके जो प्रारब्ध कर्मास है वो कट रहे हैं. जो भी पिछले जन्म में उथल फुथल आपने मचाई थी, in this birth everything is getting sorted. So you should be happy about it, and you should eventually trust that ultimately जब मेरे प्रारब्ध खत्म हो जाएंगे, जो भी बुरे कर्मा से खत्म हो जाएंगे, तो मुझे अच्छे प्रारब्ध का भी फल मिलेगा. एंड इफ यू हैव बीन गिफ्टेड अ ड्रीम, अ विजन, इट मीन्स दैट गॉड वॉन्ट्स यू टू फुलफिल इट. इट विल हैपन. बट मे बी आप सोच रहे हो कि अभी हो जाए या नेक्स्ट मंथ हो जाए. हो सकता है इन 3-4 महीने में ना हो या सालों में ना हो, but it will happen in the most miraculous way, and you must trust it. So coming down to conclusion, either you are not positive or either it's your product. Okay, so this thing you can fix by being happy, by reading my book Divine Joy, and by being optimistic and having faith in God's plan. The second thing, you cannot do much about the prarabdh, is not something you can do much about. All you can do is have faith in God and be happy that okay, this experience has ticked off one prarabdh from my list, and eventually I'm making my way towards my higher self, my vision, the life of my dreams, and eventually things will fall in place for me. And have faith, be happy, and things will happen for you eventually. So I will not say be a very hardcore manifester. No, Just be a good person, just be a good human, just smile a lot, be kind, be compassionate, have faith in God, be positive, do good for others, be happy for others, and do your karmas. Only 10 things you need to do. That's it. Life will take care of your needs. Your visions will turn into reality sooner than you will realize. Don't be too desperate कि आज भी लिख रहा हूँ, कल भी लिख रहा हूँ. Just let it come to you. किसी दिन मन किया लिख लो, किसी दिन नहीं मन किया मत लिखो. Just be in a good energy, maintain good energy, be happy, read my book. I'm saying once again, read this book. Divine Joy is really important if you want to crack your manifestation ka secret. That's it. That's all I'm gonna say. And yeah, हैव फेथ इन गॉड, हैव फेथ इन योरसेल्फ. सब हो जाएगा, सही टाइम पे सब हो जाएगा. और अगर कुछ वर्कआउट नहीं हो रहा है तो बिलीव कि उसके पीछे भी भगवान जी का बहुत मिराक्युलस प्लान छुपा हुआ है. एंड जितना बिलीव करोगे, जितना भगवान जी से प्यार करोगे, जितना खुश रहोगे, उतने ही मिरेकल्स आपके लाइफ में होंगे. ओके, सो हैव फेथ इन गॉड इज माई मंत्रा फॉर लाइफ, एंड दैट इज ऑल आई विल टेल यू. थैंक